In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Monday.com. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and have the board open where you want to set up the integration. This can be any board you use to track tasks, projects, or requests. Once that board is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Integrate. Go ahead and click that. This will open Monday.com's Integration Center, which is basically the place where you connect your board to other tools. Inside the Integration Center, you'll see a search bar. Type Slack into that search bar, and you should see a Slack banner appear in the results. Click on the Slack option to open all the available integration recipes. A recipe is just a pre-built automation that connects an action in Monday.com to something that happens in Slack. You'll see several recipes to choose from. For example, one common option is, when a status changes, notify a channel. This means that whenever a specific status column on your board changes, a message will automatically be sent to a Slack channel of your choice. Select the recipe that best matches what you're trying to accomplish. You can always come back later and add more recipes if you need additional workflows. After selecting a recipe, you'll be prompted to connect your accounts. Click the Connect button. A new window will appear asking you to authorize access between Monday.com and Slack. Make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace in your browser, then follow the prompts to approve the connection. This step allows Monday.com to send messages into your Slack channels based on the rules you define. Once the connection is authorized, you'll be taken back to the recipe setup screen where you can map the fields. Mapping the fields simply means telling Monday.com exactly which status you want to track and which Slack channel should receive the notifications. For example, you might choose a status column like Task Status and specify that when it changes to Done, a message should be posted in your team's project channel in Slack. Carefully review each dropdown and select the appropriate status, board column, and Slack destination so the automation behaves the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Add to Board. This saves your integration and turns it on for that specific board. From now on, whenever your defined conditions are met, Slack will automatically post the updates, keeping your team informed without any manual work.